Hi guys, this is Scott, and I wanted to do a review today of a product that is being released called Traffic Robot. This is version 2. Now the first version was good. They've made some improvements. There's a few things I wanted to point out with it. Now I did get access to it, and it is really good. But there's a few things I wanted to point out. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to switch over so I can show you the screen a little bit better, and we'll do a little walkthrough of everything. Okay, I am back. I've tried to move myself out of the way, so hopefully you won't be seeing me blocking the screen. Anyway, this is what it is doing. This is the sales page. Now maybe changes when it launches, but things will be basically the same here. So here's what we've got. You can get unlimited free traffic to your website. Yes, you can get this traffic to wherever you want it to go, which I think is good. Cloud-based, I like, so you don't have to download anything, which is really good. You know, you set this up and you don't have to touch it again. I agree with all this. You know, I think there's some advantages to doing it this way. But there's a few things here to point out. Again, I'm on the sales page. You know, basically what they've done, they have this whole thing set up. We're going to go into the members area in a minute. But there's a video training to show you how to do everything. Is this 100% newbie friendly? I would say yes. I created a quick campaign in it, and it was smooth as silk, very easy. And again, if you pick this up during the launch, you're getting free agency license, which is really good. So let's look over here at the dashboard. I will move this over just a little bit so you can see what's happening. What we've got here is there's the main dashboard. You can go into your campaigns. I mean, I've only created one here. If I look, and it was really just a test to see how it would work. Let me go ahead and get logged in here. Okay, I am back. If I look the campaigns, like I said, this is just a test, so I don't really expect anything here, but it was extremely easy to set up, and there's training for the whole thing. The first thing you need to do, though, is you need to go in and set up your accounts. So for video sharing, there's a Daily Motion YouTube, social sharing. You have this list. There's that is all there, and your image sharing, Tumblr. But you know, what I like about this is when I was setting up the accounts, it took all of about 15 seconds to set up each account. So it was very easy. The other part that I like about this is you can click on these links, and you can, for the top sellers for JVZoo, all this is in here. You can, let me move this over so you can see it a little better. You know, basically you're going to be able to go in and click. If you click on these, I believe it takes you to the sales page. Click on affiliate details so you can promote. Now there's also Warrior Plus that is there in the top the top offers here. There is I'll move this back over so you can see it. Then you can go to your profile. There's support, and then there's a training tab, which I think is really good. because this is very simple to use, but there's going to be questions that come up, and you have tutorials here setting everything from the welcome and how it all works, setting up your social accounts, building campaigns, traffic, finding offers and getting traffic. There's a good amount of training here. I've been through all the training, and it's really good. I want to take you over here for a second so we can look at this page. Here is what you're looking at price-wise. There's going to be an early bird on this, and the price is going to be $22. And then it's going to increase throughout the launch until it ends up at $27 per month at the end. So if this is something that you like, you need to hop on and get it at the lowest price possible, which is one-time $22 fee. And there are some details here I want to show you. We'll go ahead and get all that done here. Hold on. Okay, here we go, and I wanted to just show you on here. We talked about the price, the front end. It's a web-based application. The one-click connect, definitely. It's really good. The traffic, you can post video, images, and text to different social sites. Modules for video, that's really good. They do have a dedicated support desk, so all that is good. But the other thing to keep in mind is there are OTOs. They're just part of all this, and some people like the OTOs, some people don't, but regardless, they're there. So I definitely at least want to tell you what these are about. First OTO is $32. It is the Diamond Edition, and you're able to add additional sites. Here, the second OTO, you're able to add accounts, up to 20 additional accounts. The OTO 3 is $42, and it's more complete training to get you to 1,000 a day with promoting affiliate offers. There's OTO number 4. Lets you sell and keep the money 100% throughout the funnel. And number 5 is the luxury edition, and basically it's just a sales formula. But I mean, these are good OTOs. Definitely keep in mind when you go through this process. But I like what I'm seeing in this. I think it's a good product. We're back over here on the sales page. As we go down, I've already been through a bit of this. 3 steps I like. You log in. You set things up. You start your campaign, and then let the software do its work. There's a lot here. You're going to be able to go through and check all this stuff out yourself. There is a demo on the page you'll be able to see and watch, so you can see how easy it is. I will have a link to it also. It's really good. I like it. I see a lot of these softwares, and this is one that I think will definitely help people out. So check it out. What I've done is I am including some custom bonuses for you if you pick it up through my link. So check the description underneath this this video, and we can talk when you get to the inside of this product. But I think it's really good. I think you're going to enjoy it. Anyway, this is my review for this one. Have a great day, and I will talk to you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye.